my name is Natalia, and last week you all decided for another Christmas card. So today I'm going to show you how to create these two different kinds of Christmas cards. One is a pop-up present card and the other one is a pop-up Christmas tree. Now you decide what I should create next week by voting in the card above. So let's begin. Here's what you need to create these cards. Take your card and fold it in half. While it's folded, place your ruler on the fold and make a mark at 3, 5, 8, and 13 centimeters. Place your ruler on the 8 and 13 centimeter marking and make lines that are 5 centimeters long. Place your ruler on the 5 centimeter marking and make a line that's 4 centimeters. Place your ruler on the 3 centimeter marking and make a line that's 3 centimeters. Connect the two bottom lines with another line. Measure and mark 4 centimeters before making a line downwards. Measure and mark 3 centimeters before making a line downwards. We need to cut these lines open, so use your scissor or your box cutter. Place your ruler on the uncut lines and then bend the paper over it. And repeat this with the other ones as well. Refold everything and then turn your card over and fold everything to the other side. Open your card and place your finger behind these cutouts and push inwards. Repeat this with the other cutouts as well. Then fold your card in half and close it up. You can decorate these gifts in whatever kind of way you want to. When you're done decorating, you need to add a back piece. So fold the back piece in half. Put some glue all over the back of the front piece. Attach it as close to the middle score on the back piece and press down to make it stick properly. Put some glue on the other side of the front piece, then attach it by closing the card. And again, press down to make it stick properly. One beautiful card down, one more to go. To create this, you need the same sized card, so take your card, then fold it in half. Take a green piece of paper, fold the edge and turn, then fold the edge and turn, and then continue this process until you reach the end of the paper. Keep your paper folded like this, place your ruler on top, then measure and mark 1, 3, 6, and 10 centimeters. Then cut along these markings. To create the tree trunk, take a square piece of paper, then fold it in half. Then make a fold on the edges. Then open it up and fold the edges inwards. Put some glue on one of the folded edges. Place it in the bottom of the card, but not too close to the middle fold. Put some glue on the other folded edge and glue it onto the other side of the card. Take the largest piece of the green folded paper, put some glue on it, and attach it as close to the middle score in the card. Put some glue on the next largest piece, attach it as close to the middle score and the bottom branch you just added. Then continue this process of gluing and attaching these levels of branches. And don't forget to press down to make them stick properly. Put some glue on the other sides of these branches. Do your best to try to hold them down, then close the card and press down properly to make them all stick. Then gently open it up. You can add anything you want into the card, like small decorations or a cute poem. That's totally up to you. So use your imagination and get creative. Now for the random question of the day. Is a hot dog a sandwich? I would definitely say yes, because it's a meat between bun. And doesn't that automatically say that it's a sandwich? I don't know. What do you think? I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're looking for more Christmas DIYs or cards, check out these videos here. And I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!